In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a moderator from your community in Reddit. If you manage a subreddit, there may come a time when you need to adjust your team. Whether that's because someone is no longer active, you've reorganized responsibilities, or there's been a change in trust. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process of removing a moderator, so you can keep your community management clean, organized, and under control. First, open your community. This means navigating to the specific subreddit where you're an existing moderator with the proper permissions. Make sure you are using the account that has the ability to manage other moderators, typically a top-level moderator. Once you're on the subreddit's main page, look for the tools available only to moderators. Next, click on Mod Tools. On desktop, you'll usually find this on the right-hand side or in the community toolbar. On mobile, it may appear behind a menu icon or under a section labeled for moderators. Mod Tools is essentially your control panel, where you can manage users, settings, and content for the community. Inside the Mod Tools area, click on Mods and Members. This section is dedicated to everyone who has a role in your community, from regular approved users to full moderators. It's the central place where you see who helps run the subreddit and what level of access they have. Now, click on Moderators. This will filter the view to show only the current moderator list. Here, you should see all accounts that have moderation permissions on your community, often in order of hierarchy, with the top-level mods at the top. Find the moderator you want to remove and click on the trash icon next to their name. The trash icon represents removing or deleting their role, not deleting their account. Take a moment to be sure you've selected the correct person, since changing moderator status can affect how your community is managed. Finally, click on Remove to confirm your action. Reddit may prompt you to confirm that you really want to remove this moderator. Once you do, that user will immediately lose their moderator permissions for this community, and they'll no longer appear in the moderator list. And that's it. By opening your community, going into Mod Tools, navigating to Mods and Members, selecting moderators, using the trash icon, and confirming remove, you can quickly and cleanly remove a moderator from your Reddit community.